to any way, shape, or form. But let's go ahead and talk about some of the top crypto investments potentially for 2025. Yes, I know today's a bit of a slow news story, but at the same time, it's a holiday, and Happy New Year's to all of you on a global scale. Thank you so much for supporting me and the channel. And if you guys are new here, I'm WendyO. I talk everything crypto every single day. To get more, make sure you subscribe with all alerts met, smash the like, and always drop me a comment with your personal opinion. I'm always happy to hear it. Now, it's officially 2025. What's going on with the crypto markets? Right now, absolutely nothing. And you'll generally see this happen yearly because when it's holidays, the markets essentially slow down. And that's kind of a good thing because we all need a little bit of a recharge. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at $94,000, Ethereum $3,330. XRP, $2.21, which is absolutely amazing, and Solana at $190. So what are the best investments of 2025? Well, obviously the most volatile assets will yield the most returns, but at the same time, you can also lose at a lot faster rate than you generally would with something like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana or whatever that may be. Right now, AI agents are absolutely hot right now. One of the projects we've been heavily playing around with and talking about, which I'm invested in, is AI16Z. I think that they're essentially going to lead the way when it comes to AI and crypto, but again, not financial advice, just letting you guys know what I'm doing. There's a couple other ones as well. We do talk a lot about AI stuff. If you're worried about AI taking your job, that is a valid concern, but at the same time, if you can use an AI agent to kind of automate everything you do on chain so you can spend more time with your family, etc., great, fantastic. So that's probably where a lot of the money is going to be, say, as well as meme coins. We're kind of seeing meme coins not die out, but lose popularity right now. Could be because of the holidays, not exactly sure. Anyways, that's kind of what's going on with the more risky plays. But what about more sound plays that might yield you less returns but aren't as scary? Number one, Bitcoin. We've seen Michael Saylor just dollar cost average into Bitcoin like he does, MicroStrategy, and he's done pretty well. Generally, people, shout out to Sparkwater, channel member over here. Shout out to Mr. R, channel member over here. But we've seen Michael Saylor just dollar cost average into Bitcoin. And I think his average buy-in price per Bitcoin is like $69,000 and Bitcoin's trading at $94,000. So dollar cost averaging is a great tool, and a lot of people will perform very well with that. Some people like to dollar cost average XRP as well. So Bitcoin is like one of the more sound investments in my personal opinion, okay? And then you have some of the larger cap stuff. You've got like Ethereum and Solana and XRP, etc. So I want to separate XRP from Ethereum and Solana. So when we're talking about XRP, in my personal opinion, we know that the lawsuit is coming to a halt soon. We know XRP has a stablecoin that was approved by NYDFS, rlusd, that's going to be on Ethereum and XRPL. So really, when we're talking about XRP, in my personal opinion, that is more of a banker's coin. And that's not a bad thing because it's for cross-border payments. Well, their ecosystem is. So XRP is a completely different beast. And I have a bit in my portfolio. I have about 5 figures worth in my portfolio. Just because, why not? Why not? Shout out to Tom Crown, you guys. Shout out to Tom. Ripple ain't coming back. I think it's going to come back, and we essentially saw it come back already. It's trading at $2.21 this morning, and I personally do believe that we will see once the lawsuit and everything else is settled. Plus, we're getting the positive fingers crossed, positive regulation in 2025, brand new administration. It's going to be heavily regulated, but at the same time, $2.30? Heck yeah. But at the same time, I think it's going to do well. So I want to move that out of the equation. If you want to buy Ripple, hold on to Ripple, whatever, or XRP, cool. If not, that's fine too. Do whatever works for you. But I really kind of want to talk about Ethereum and Solana because for so many cycles, we always thought that that Ethereum was going kind of like a safe bet like Bitcoin. Kind of, right? But is it really? Is it really? Well, a lot of analysts, even though we have an Ethereum spot ETF, are predicting Ethereum to not perform as well as many anticipated. And that kind of sucks because I hold a lot of Ethereum. But at the same time, when you're in crypto, you have to be able to pivot to new sectors and new ideas fast because our industry moves fast. There's a lot of volatility. Also, make sure to smash the like. We've got like 300 people in here. Smash the like, help push this out. So, according to 10x Research, Ethereum could struggle to deliver meaningful rallies in 2025. So Marcus Thielen of 10x Research says that Ethereum may underperform Bitcoin in 2025 bull run. I don't necessarily know about that because if you look at market cap, Bitcoin has a lot larger market cap and it's a lot harder to move. But at the same time, yes, Kikis Maximus, Mr. Elon Musk, Kekamis or something. Anyways, us. But anyways, Ethereum does have the spot ETFs. It is BlackRock's baby, and Base is using it as part of their ecosystem because Base is a layer 2. But he said that Ethereum's lack of real demand beyond staking. That's what he's saying. And that's because a lot of people aren't building on Ethereum like they were. A lot of people are building on Solana. That's why this market looks a little bit different. He also described Ethereum as a poor medium-term investment and told investors to avoid it. So that's what people are saying. That's what analysts are saying about Ethereum. And plus, people like me that have been holding Ethereum for a long time, we're going to be selling it. I'm going to be selling most of it. And that's it's not a bad thing, but at the same time, it's literally like, as far as getting the returns that you want to get, you might not get those returns with Ethereum as opposed to Solana. Because again, Ethereum is currently trading at $3,300. It's pretty close to all-time high, I believe, about $4,200. But we haven't seen a lot of great price action with it. It's still kind of laggy. But Solana broke its all-time high, I believe of 2021, hit $262, and then we're trading at $190. And I do personally think Solana will hit between about 700 to 1,000 this cycle. I do, in my personal opinion. And yeah, projects like HBAR, ISO 222, I think will do well depending on the partnerships and moves they decide to make. Now, let's talk about Solana, because one of the things that's kind of saving Ethereum is BlackRock spot Ethereum ETF, in my personal opinion. So Solana is most definitely going to get an ETF in 2025. I think it's going to be Solana, and I think it is going to be Ethereum when we talk about getting crypto ETFs in 2025. There's an article that came out from Blockworks. Solana gets a leverage ETF filing for non-existent futures. Volatility shares filed for Solana futures ETF, despite no existing Solana futures contracts. So when we're talking about that, the reason why a lot of people and analysts think that we got the Bitcoin and the Ethereum ETFs is because we had a futures ETF first. So we don't have a Solana's futures ETF, but we want a spot one. But anyways, so Volatility Shares is an asset manager firm. They have 5 US ETFs with $2.3 billion assets under management. A Solana futures ETF would issue securities that track the price movements of underlying Solana futures contracts trading on a CFTC registered exchange. Sol futures are expected soon, similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum futures on the CME. Eric B says Solana futures as imminent, meaning they're coming. And other analysts say futures could enhance spot ETF approval odds by providing market health and liquidity. That's exactly what happened with Ethereum and Bitcoin ETFs, because we had the futures ones and then we got the spot. And apparently the new SEC chair, Paul Atkins' leadership could support more new crypto products. So let's talk about that. 100%. I think we're getting more crypto ETFs in 2025. It's inevitable, in my personal opinion. I think we will see the Solana's futures ETF launch, and then we'll get the spot ETF. That's just my personal opinion. So what does all that mean? All of this means is that if you're looking for something that's a little bit more solid than meme coins and AI coins and like random new coins that are popping up, you might want to pay attention to Solana, to XRP, not necessarily Ethereum. But at the same time, if you want to hold Ethereum, you can do that, okay? Also, with that being said, it's going to be a really exciting year for 2025 in crypto. So I don't know. I'm excited. My portfolio is hedged with Ethereum and Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, the AI agent coins, meme coins, and all kinds of stuff. So in my personal opinion, if you're brand new to this industry, take your time. Don't rush in anything. Understand dollar cost averaging could yield you a lot better results than just dumping disposable income into meme coins and whatnot. Bitcoin is always a great place to start. And I really think we're going to be getting crypto spot ETFs in 2025. And the projects that get those will probably do well and be a little safer. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. And I will catch you a little bit later today. Bye.